Hello YouTube family, hope you are doing well today. I'm creating a super cute and satisfying mini bakery using super clay. If you enjoy tiny, realistic food creations, then stay with me till the end because this is going to be really fun. So let's begin. First of all, I made chocolate chip cookies for this. I took a small amount of clay and rolled it into tiny balls, then gently flattened them to form cookie shapes. After that, I added very small pieces of darker clay as chocolate chips. These little details make the cookies look so realistic. They look just like real, freshly baked cookies. Now moving to the second item, mini cakes. These are one of the most colorful parts of this bakery. I used multiple colors to create different tiny cakes. I shaped them carefully into small round forms and smoothed the edges. After that, I added a small cherry on top of each cake. This simple detail makes them look elegant and complete, just like real bakery cakes you see in shops. Next is my favorite piece, the spiral cake. I rolled the clay into a thin strip and carefully shaped it into a swirl design. This step needs a little patience, but the result is totally worth it. On top of the spiral cake, I added a strawberry topping. This gives it a fresh and decorative look, and it really stands out among all the other items. After that, I started making donuts. I rolled small balls of clay, flattened them slightly, and created a hole in the center. Then comes the fun part, decorating. I used different colors for icing like chocolate brown and pink. I also added tiny sprinkles on top using a toothpick. Each donut looks unique and very cute. Now moving on to lollipops. For these, I used bright and colorful clay. I shaped them into small, round and spiral patterns and attached tiny sticks at the bottom. These lollipops are very simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And comment which thing you like the most. Bye.